Hey, welcome to Kodiak. Today we are going to talk about the full offering of Kodiak cleaning equipment made right here in Racine, Wisconsin.
And if you've been looking for a quality, well-made, durable piece of cleaning equipment that's made in the United States with parts that ship the same day you order them, think it couldn't be done? Guess again, we did that right here in Wisconsin.
Welcome to Kodiak. We have a full line of walk-behind scrubbers. There's 4 models to choose from the K12 to the K25. It starts at 12 gallons, then we go to 16, 19, and 25-gallon walk-behind auto scrubbers. They start at 17 inches and go all the way up to 32 inches and everywhere in between. We also have 2 ride-on scrubbers to check out. There's the 22-gallon K22R. There's also the K42 that clocks in at 42 gallons. Those riders are available from 20 inches all the way up to 30. And right in the middle, we have the Powerhouse Rider Sweeper. Sweeping a 46-inch path, it is the K46 SW. All scrub deck styles are available on Kodiak. You can get disc, orbital, cylindrical on any of the auto scrubbers, plus batteries. Want to talk about options? We have wet, AGM, and lithium batteries available. And for more information on Kodiak or to schedule a free demonstration, you can check out the link in our description. Remember, buy American, buy a Kodiak.